Hello everyone! In today's video I want to show you a relatively quick and easy keychain in the shape of the sun. I came up with this idea because anybody needs some light and joy in their life, so you can attach this keychain to your keys as a reminder you should smile more often. I started by making the base, that is usually the same no matter of the model you want to create, a yellow big tight coil. Then we continue with making the rays that can be created in a lot of ways, however you imagine them. I chose the following. After I glued the rays around the tight coil, I had the feeling that something is missing, so I thought I should bring some sort of personality to the sun, and I created a cute face for it. To keep it simple, I made a pair of eyes, eyebrows and a mouth. If you are as bad as me with drawings, you can save and print from the internet some cartoon faces, crop them with a pair of scissors and glue them on the big coil. Or you can just glue a pair of already made cartoon eyes that you can find at almost any craft store. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Take care.